విభిన్నంగా ఆలోచించే వారి కోసం సృజనాత్మకతకు పెద్దపీటేసే మేధావుల కోసం అమరావతిలో అత్యాధునిక క్రియేటివ్ సిటీని నిర్మిస్తున్నామని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు ప్రకటించారు. కేవలం పరిపాలనా నగరంగా మాత్రమే కాకుండా భవిష్యత్ తరాలకు వేదికగా అమరావతిని తీర్చిదిద్దుతున్నామని చెప్పారు. న్యూఢిల్లీ వేదికగా జరుగుతున్న ప్రతిష్టాత్మక రైసినా డైలాగ్ 2026 సదస్సులో పాల్గొన్న ఆయన తన ప్రసంగంలో అమరావతి అభివృద్ధికి సంబంధించి కీలక విషయాలను ప్రపంచ దేశాల ప్రతినిధులతో పంచుకున్నారు.
We are having a drone city. Now we are seeing all wars, everything, civilian applications, drones are inevitable. Now we are having drone city in Kurnool. We are having one city, aerospace city. We want to go for, India is a huge market for helicopters or flights, everything, jets, everything. Electronic city. This is also very important. So I want to go for electronic city in a big way. And also medtech and wearables, change on health. So everybody is having, there's no need to go to hospital as long as you take care of your health. So personal medicine is not far away. All of us has to understand all these things are going to happen. So technology is available. Even quantum is going to, computing power is going to change. So many things are going to happen. Global Leadership Center with CA, Confederation of Industry, and also Government of Andhra Pradesh, we are working together. Already we have given land. Davos is the economic forum. Amaravati will be leadership forum.
Wonderful.
That is where we are promoting. That is the best place for you also to come and have your office. Now all of you, if you see, India is one country. We are having a very, very rich, I can say, legacy. Tolerance, discussion, through dialogue. Both state governments and also central government are working very well. It is a cooperative federalism. It is where our growth rate is very impressive growth rate. If you can see 7+, there is an opportunity to grow 10+ also. Our Honorable Prime Minister, all of you have seen, is a leader by building consensus on any issue. 20 years back or 15 years back, from my state, nobody, only limited to America and some other countries. Today, if you name any country, that country, our Telugu community is there, and also Indians are there. They are the best diplomats, and also they are working for the global community, for their welfare. That is the biggest contribution from Indian community, especially on technology side. One is Google is coming. In one city, Visakhapatnam, 5 gigawatt capacity data centers are coming. And also AI is coming. Now to supply all these things, we need green energy. We are very strong in green energy. India is having a big advantage.